I'm back at the new center shopping Galleria, and it's lift tour time. I'm back at it, and here I am at the coatingless home building, and here the first list is some nice Schindler 5400s, but no water-resistant fishes. After you. Hold on. There's one. Here are the escalators. That thing for little kids is just closed down. And let's go walk around the entire shopping center. And here's the Massimo Dutti store, which looks like fashion, brand new Massimo Dutti store. But otherwise, let's get going. Let's go along to the next lifts. Continue. Where? Bathrooms. No! And now, let's go along to see this atrium. One up there. Up. Go up. Go up. I'm not going. I'll stay here, and you can find me after you come back to the bathroom. And also, here's the atrium lights. They look so nice and cool. What does this do? Now to get going down. Is that thing you want to see downstairs?
Go to the Valencia.
But I'm not sure where is it. But anyway, the Valencia store is downstairs. Let's get this stairs, then see it for a bit, and get to the next lifts. Go down. Go down. God. These atrium lights look so nice and cool. Also, between the escalators, there's some staircases. There's the food court, but I'll film those lifts later. And now going along to the CA and into the escalator scene there. Yes. Here, there are the testers, but there's just escalators and there's actually no lift. Now, going along after getting out of the CNA store and going along and then to the next lifts. Flor.
¿Qué llevas? A mí me gusta que llevas 1 hora en la tienda. 1 hora llevas en la tienda ya. Normal. Pues coges y está porque al final te van a echar.
one.
And then by one.
Main one.
What floor next? What ground minus 1.
Main one. Go through.
And now to the Corte Inglés fashion building, and along to the list is some old chandeliers that have been modernized to chandelier 5400 with VR fixtures.